guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is rainy day, or rainy angst, or whatever I named it, because it sometimes pops up as rainy day, or it sometimes pops up as rainy angst. So yeah, you can look at both of those. But I will be getting my intro done pretty soon, and also this video is about where I'm just showing you most of my fidgets, because those have been very popular for a little bit, and I just want to show you mine. So it's going to be pretty much a quick little video. So yeah, let's get started. I have a huge bag right here, and stuff filled with it. So, just so you know, Maddie is not with us. She could come to my door, so I might have to bring it down or something or pause it. But yeah, so we can get started doing this. So first, I got this huge one big poppet. It's a game poppet. It's very big. So yeah, I don't know why this is not real. It's not even a real one. So I'm just gonna put that right here. It's so bright because my lights are here. Okay, my next one is a it feels kind of weird. It's like a lollipop one, but yeah, it's really cool. Okay, the next one is a star puppet. I actually won this one at Great Lodge. If you guys haven't been there, that is literally one of my favorite places to go. So yeah. Okay, next thing is an Among Us. That's been very popular too. It's an Among Us dimple. Very nice, very nice. I got this one for my birthday. It's not the best one because it's just off Amazon. Like, well, it's just okay, whatever. It's not the best one though, but it's good. This one was my favorite. My friend got me this one for my birthday. It's a crab one. Let me show you its eyes. There you go. It's very good. I love it. Okay, I got this huge jumbo Nito. That color changes. It's orange and it turns red. It's jumbo. Like, I don't know what the actual one is, but this is jumbo. Like, look at the hand. It's really heavy too. Okay. So I have a lot of random stuff in here. This is one of my also favorite ones. I got this at the place called Toy Box. Their stuff is so cool. I love that place too. It's a huge avocado, I think. I don't eat these. But it's like an Orby to a jumbo like this. See? Whoa. It's got a little face. So cute. Okay. Now, I have this little guy. I like to do this. I think these are finger puppets, but I like to do this. Tuck their heads in. Tuck their heads in like that, and then go pop. I just like doing that for some reason. I got a bunch of those, and I also have a bunch of these ramen noodles, I think are called, or just noodles or something. But they feel so cool. They're like soft ones. And I also love these. I have two more or one more or something like this, something like that. But this was my favorite color. Feels so cool. And then I like to do this with it. See the butt? There's a hole in the booty, and then I put my fingers through it, and then I take that head part and I stick it through the butt. So it's a bracelet. That's not what it's made for, but yeah. This is a soccer ball fidget spinner. I love playing soccer, but I'm not good at this. here is another little tiny stress ball. Oh, I love this one too. My friend got it for me. I think Maddie actually got it for me. This is a poop puppet. Very cute. All mine are bent so bad. You see this thing? But I'll just do a little bit. I should have fixed like blowing on it, but it didn't work. This one's such a beautiful color. Well, to me. I love it. I also love this tiny rainbow. I don't love it, but I do at the same time, because like, you know, but like the pops are so tiny. Oh my god, there's like pink stuff on there. Okay, but yeah, the pops are so tiny that I can't even push them. It's like made for a baby. Okay, and then I also have a flying chicken. Moved it. Okay. A bunch of marble meshes, or something like that. They're like the marbles in it. If you haven't seen those big jumbo ones with 2 huge marbles in it, those, and you can like pump them together. They're so cool. But I don't have one. Sadly, I don't have one. I can't speak right now. Here's another one of those puppet things. More ramen noodles. These are literally my two favorite colors. Orange and blue. Oh, here's more. Green and yellow. Stuff just fell in it. Can you hear that? Ow. Okay, then these fell out. This is a person with a little face. Okay, and then he stretches, I think. I don't want to break him. He's not that stretchy. Totally stretches. And he turns red or something. So, yeah. And then here's one of my mochis. I have a bunch. These are something. They're like rings. Acupressure rings, I think those are called. They kind of hurt. I have a couple of them. Or just this one. Or something. I don't know. It's my gold one. Oh, I think Maddie's here. So my mom will send her up here. She's probably going to be walking in any second. So, yeah. She'll be coming. I have one wacky track, I guess, but there's 2. See, they're different colors. Oh, there's not. Tied up slinky. Very tied up slinky. 2 more mochis. She's here. Another mochi. A fidget cube. Hi. Hi. Fidget cube. That's her.
I ran over here.
Ring. Oh, there's also a yo-yo.
Oh, are you going through everything that's in that bag?
Yes, and next is the bike chain.
It's a fake $20 bill.
The bike chain she got me.
Yeah. I have a better one. But I didn't bring it.
No, it's not. I love this one. This is a different type of bike chain. It's like goes all ways. Andy, stop it. A infinity cube. I have another one somewhere. I don't know where it is though.
Somewhere. Okay.
Right when she gets here, we sing. But yeah, infinity cube.
My sister said that in the car on TikTok radio, we don't talk about Bruno was playing. We don't talk.
I have a zipper. These are not that cool, but
You know what?
I think it's broke. Yeah, it's broke. I have magnetite rings from her, of course, for my birthday. She's just on her phone. Oh no, she's playing the song. Look at her face. You see it? Oh my god, they follow so easy. I don't really know how.
Yeah, Kroger delivery.
One
You
magnet ring.
talk about Bruno.
Turn it down. It's our wedding day. This is a pea popper or something. Pea poppers?
Clouds allowed.
In the sky.
Walks in with the mixed skin.
They have little
You're
faces.
telling a story, or am I? Let me have to go on. Looks like rain. Hello. Though he floods my brain.
Okay, I have this.
And in a hurricane.
Trying to find stuff because it's almost gone.
But anyway, we don't talk about
Really cool. A mini Neato.
Okay, hang on. I have to show you guys something.
And this.
So watch this video.
Oh my god.
Just wait. Oh no, can you not hear? See it? Okay, just keep on watching.
Oh my god, Maddie, what are you? Oh. What?
Oh no, it didn't show.
That was the wrong song.
No, it's the right song.
That's what it was like. Okay. I have
It was
a.
because of the glare. Okay.
I have a.
Can I tell a story real quick?
Hold on, Maddie. I have a bracelet. And
in the song, we
that's
don't talk
it.
about Bruno.
You can see Bruno in the background
Dancing.
of his own song. Look.
Do, 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 do. And she just goes.
Yeah. Okay. So that's the end of the video. Hope you like it. It's a quick one. And remember, I'm trying to get my intro out. I'm trying to make it still in a edit and a lot of stuff still. So yeah. Good.
Experimentation time.
Bye.